Proverbs 28. The wicked run when no one is chasing them, but an honest person is as brave as a lion. When nation sins, it will have one ruler after another, but a nation will be strong and endure when it has intelligent, sensible leaders. A man in authority who oppresses the poor people is like driving rain that destroys crops. If you have no regard for the law, you are on the side of the wicked, but if you obey it, you are against it. Evil people do not know what justice is, but those who worship the Lord will understand well. Better to be poor and honest than to be rich and dishonest. Young man who obeys the Lord is intelligent. One who makes friends with good for nothing is disgrace to his own father. If you get rich by charging interest and taking advantage of the people, your wealth will go to someone who is kind to the poor. If you do not obey the Lord, God will find your prayers too hateful to hear. If you trick a honesty person into doing evil, you will fall in your own trap. Innocent will be rewarded. Rich people always think they are wise, but a poor person who has insight into character knows better. When good men come to power, everybody celebrates. When bad men rule, people stay hiding. You will never succeed in your life if you try to hurt sins. Confess them, give up them, then Lord will show mercy to you. Always obey the Lord and you will be happy. If you are stubborn, you will be ruined. The poor people are helpless against a wicked ruler. He is as dangerous as a growing lion or prowling bear. A ruler without good sense will be a cruel tyrant. One who hates dishonesty will rule a long time. A man who guilty of murder is digging his own grave fast as he can. Don't try to stop him. Be honest, you will be safe. If you dishonest, you will suddenly fall. Honest people will lead a full, happy life. If you are in a hurry to get rich, you are going to be punished. Prejudice is wrong, but some judges will do wrong even they get smallest bribe. Selfish people are in a hurry to get rich. They don't know when poverty is about to strike. Correct someone and afterwards he will appreciate it more than flattery. Anyone who thinks it is wrong to steal from his parents, it is no better than a common thief. Selfishness only causes trouble. You are much better off to trust the Lord. It is foolish to follow your own opinions. Be safe. Follow your teachings of wiser people. Give to the poor and you will never be in need. If you close your eyes to the poor, many will curse you.